Welcome to Discover Talent Session 4. Today we will learn about how to build a generative pre-trained transformer or GPT for short. We will talk about what GPT is and its importance. If in case you have missed the session 1, 2, 3, okay, we will urge you to watch those series. Will give you the clear understanding about what we have covered, basics about GPT and the history all about GPTs. Cool? In this video, we will introduce GPT technology and talk about how it is used in real life. We will also explain why creativity and having a clear purpose are important. You will learn what basic things are needed to get started, how to come up with your own project ideas, and what easy no code tools you can use to build them. Generative pre-trained transformer, which is called GPT, are a smart AI tool that can write text just like a humans based on the input we give. Okay, learning how GPT works is important if you want to use it well in a different areas like writing, education, business, or creative projects. GPT technology uses deep learning to understand and create a text. It learns from large amounts of data and give you the smart relevant answers based on the prompt which we provide. GPT has many use cases like writing content, helping customers through the chat, and building chatbots because it is so flexible and it can be used in many different areas. Using creativity and a clear purpose in your GPT projects makes the result more better. When you know your goal, it helps GPT work right way and give you the correct answer. To build GPT, you need some basic tools and accounts. In this part, we will show you how you will get those, and in live demo, we will demonstrate you how you can quickly get that started. The first step is to create an OpenAI account. GPT, try its features and access the API for your projects. ChatGPT Plus gives a better access like a faster replies and fewer delays when it's busy. It's helpful if you are using a GPT more often or for a bigger projects. You need a good internet connection and web browser that works well. This helps you to use GPT smoothly without any problems. Having a clear purpose for your GPT projects helps you to stay focused, think about what problem you want to solve or what task you want to GPT wants to do on your behalf. Brainstorming helps you come up with the smart and creative ideas for your GPT projects. Working with others can bring new thoughts and better solutions. Knowing your project to whom is really important. Think about who will use it and what they need so you can make something useful and helpful for them. You don't need to know coding to build a GPT project. In this part, we will look at easy tools and interfaces that let you create your own GPT. Some platforms have a easy to use interfaces working with GPT. They let you create and use GPT tools without any coding skills. Easy tools make it simple to create content with GPT. They are made to be user friendly so you can focus on your ideas, not a tech stuff. Since no coding is needed, you can focus more on your ideas and creativity. This makes it easier to explore, build your great GPT projects. Great GPT projects need to creativity and a time. In this part, we will talk about how to boost your creative ideas and use your time to keep improving your project. To make your projects better, try to boost your creativity. You can do this by brainstorming, looking for a inspiration, and working with others to get to know their ideas. Managing your time is important for a good GPT projects. Make a plan that includes time for exploring, testing, and improving your work. This helps you to get better result. To keep your project useful and up to date, you need to keep improving it. Adding a new ideas using a feedback will make it more better over a time. To build a GPT project, you need to understand how it works, have it a right tools, set a clear goal, and use your creativity. By following these steps, you can create and improve your own GPT project successfully. So let's see how everything we have learned comes up together in our real example. So let's quickly start with a live demo on GPT. All right, welcome back. So this is the screen which you can see on the browser. Okay, chatgpt.com. You can type it on your browser, be it you are using a Chrome or maybe Edge. Okay, you just have to type this URL which is mentioned over here, and then you will get this pop-up called login or maybe the sign up. Okay, for me I have the account already with me, so I'll just simply click here and I'll log in. Okay, with my account. You can log in through your Apple mobile, okay, maybe your Microsoft account, Gmail account, or maybe directly with your email ID. Cool, I'll just simply sign in with my email ID, and this is the navigation. I can see it over here. Here you can type your prompt over here, which is mentioned, right? Ask anything. And this is the models which we have discussed in our last sessions. And there are many more models like this. Cool. So latest one is this 4.5, good for writing and exploring ideas. Cool, great for quick coding and analysis. Why we are using these models? So the summary example has been given over here, right? So right now the ChatGPT model I'm using for a premium one, which is the plus one. Okay, um, in which we can create our own models. Okay, it is like a Google Play Store only. Okay, you can develop your own app, and as like we publish our apps right on the Google Play Store. Likewise, we can publish our own GPTs on this GPT Store, folks, like this. So this is a GPT Store for us. Cool. Again, there is no comparison with the Google or maybe any other companies. Okay, but just in a hypothetical scenario, right? When we are developing our own model, how we can add that on the specific tool. Cool. So here is my GPTs. My GPT, I can see how many GPTs I have developed over here and how many users have interacted so far, right? And they have used this. And then upgrade plan. If in case I wish to upgrade, I'll just simply click here, and this is the pricing which I can see it over here right now. Cool. If in case you need for business, you can just add this, and for a business you can opt in. And then there are so and so forth options available in the settings. Cool, we'll not go in detail in this, but yeah, let's talk about GPT model creation, how we can create that. Since we are here, I'll just click here GPTs. Okay, at the top you can see create option, right? I'll just simply click here create option. As soon as you click on this option, you can see the URL has been changed, chatgpt.com/gpts/editor. You can just directly visit this URL and you will get this, or maybe simply click on GPTs and then click on this create new option. There are two options available. One is create and the second one is that configure. I would recommend, since you are a new or maybe is yet to start with the ChatGPT, just start with a creative option. Okay, so when you say create, you can give your basic English to the prompt. Okay, and they will understand in a form of form. In that particular language, it will understand and give you the model creation properly. Okay, in this scenario here, what it's written: hi, I will help you build a new GPT, something like make a creative who helps generate a visuals for a new product. Okay, so likewise I just copy this. Okay, I just simply paste it over here, and I'll say make a content creator bot for me who creates topic on education. Okay, just a normal bot I am developing over here. And then if in case you already have any data sources available, you can configure that at the back end. Right now there is no need. Okay, simply just I have added a simple English and I'll click here. Cool. You can see at the right hand side there is a preview has been mentioned. Okay, this is the preview. So whatever we type here, this will automatically show in the preview section. Cool. You can see here it is automatically getting loaded. Great. So it is saying that now let's give a GPT name, edu content creator, or maybe I'll say edu nation. Now it's generating a profile picture for me, and then once the profile picture is generated for my model, it will show me like this here. Cool. You can see it at the right hand side. Perfect. Please keep tone more professional, educational, and avoid jargons. We will be using this text on LinkedIn and other social media platform along with our website. Cool. So this is just a prompt I'm giving while he's giving me a response. So again, it's updating at the back end. Cool. So now it's saying that I have refined the so and so whatever GPT is saying that he's refined that, needs to tweaks that the content whatever I have asked for. And suppose I want to say here, which is my model, right? This model is now mine. I need help topics on data analytics. What should be focused upon? There we go. Cool. So whatever you type here in the left hand side, it will give you the result then and there, right? Cool. Now the configure part, since we already covered the create, now configure is basically if in case you already have a conversation starter with you, right? Suppose you want to say that FAQs kind of thing, right? So frequently asked question. If in case you have a question, right? Suppose I want to say Excel related tools, Excel related tools, or maybe I will say Excel formulas for finance, something like that. Cool. And then if in case I have the knowledge repository, I'll just simply select this and I'll upload it. I don't have it right now, so I'll just keep this as it is. Since it is using a data kind of thing, so I'll just simply select this option on. Okay, so if in case I need to add a code or maybe get a code from this, right, so I can use this. And that's it. This is really helpful for us. Okay, and what type of model it is using? So model is using this, so I'll just select this and I'll say 4.1, or maybe this time I'll just keep this as a 4.5. So okay, so once it is done, I'll just say create, and it is asking me, do you want to publish this on GPT Store? Okay, or maybe you can directly just share this link with a individuals. Then people who are having this access, right, for this GPT, they can only access it. Otherwise, no other member can access it. Okay, only me, and this will only keep limited with you. Okay, now I'll keep this as a GPT Store and keep it as a educational category. Okay, and simply save it. Cool. It will take some time to load, and there we go. Now I can see my GPT. View GPT. Cool. So likewise, I can see my left hand side. These are the GPTs I have developed so far, right? And I can use that as and when I needed. Cool. Now suppose I want this drafting a post for a new online course. Cool. So it is automatically generating a content for me, and very professional manner it's giving me a result then and there. So I'm not typing any single prompt there, right? It's a predefined prompt only. I'll just simply select that and I'll click enter over here, and there we go. Cool. If you, in case you want to download it, you can simply download it. Okay, you can share this as well if in case you wish to review this with someone, right? You can use that. Cool. And I don't want this right now, so I'll just simply close this, and this is the normal page for me. Generate poster data analytics is amazing. Okay, now as soon as I type that, it's giving me this particular answers over here. So I will again add a prompt over here. Can you generate image showing two male in the poster? Cool. In this case, if you get this particular prompt, right, so he's asking us, he will not able to generate it, then no need to worry. Okay, what you have to do, click here again. Okay, GPTs, and then click on this my GPT. Whatever GPT you have generated, just click here, edit, configure, just go down. Image generation is on. Okay, and this time I will just change this, keep it this, update model. I have changed it intentionally, and let's see this time if it is helping us. Generate image, message should be data analytics is amazing, show two men in the poster, size okay. So what I have did, I have just now changed the model from there, right, and I'm just checking if in case it can generate a image for me. Okay, and it's working fine, right? So it's working completely. Cool. So I have just now changed the model. I haven't did anything else. Okay, so you have to do a basic, changes there as and when it's required, and you have to test it accordingly. Okay, and as soon as you test that, you just have to deploy it wherever it's required in your projects, in your deal, in your company. Okay, if in case you are an entrepreneur, okay, ensure that you are using this wisely. Cool. And then as soon as it is done, okay, it will show me the result like this. Cool. It will take some time again to load. And basis the prompt again, you can refine this design as per your own requirement, folks. Cool. Right now I have just now added this simple prompt. Okay, and yes, very good tip is that, right now we are using a plus. Suppose your plan is expire. Okay, this plan is expire after 30 days. You are not able to renew that, but your GPTs will be available, that's for sure. Okay, even if you do a payment, or maybe you are using a free GPTs. Okay, but for initial stage while creating a GPTs, you have to pay for it. Cool. So this is how we have created our own model in ChatGPT, folks. Okay, this way you can also create in Gemini, also you can create in Copilot, folks. Okay, do let me know if in case you want to learn about Gemini as well as Copilot too. Okay, so don't forget to watch our next session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.